Guess you can find them at freedomgrooming.com. I don't know, I found them on Facebook, and they, ever since I bought this motherfucker, they ads ain't stopped running. So, nigga, I got one. Quit fucking bugging me, goddamn.
It's an everyday thing. It's an everyday thing. It's an everyday thing when you let your nuts hang.
What it do, everyday people, man? It's your boy PJ, and now back to our regular scheduled program. Okay, so now here I am in here. Let me tell you. Let me see, I'm trying to get the waves for the babes. You know what I'm saying? Next to the ball fade. You know what I'm saying? Top back. You know what I'm saying? Got that drop top. You know what I'm saying? I'm more of a Cadillac type of guy, so you got the drop top Cadillac because I'm smooth and I turn real easy, you know what I'm saying? So just got the top back on that. But anyway, so I'm cutting this shit off. So I'm gonna try to use my I'm gonna try to use this. I'm gonna use the cutter. I'm gonna see how good it cuts. If it cuts terrible, I'm gonna quit using it altogether and just knock it off with the other stuff. So okay, so let me install this. So I'm gonna install the precision clipper. Man, it goes on simply like so. There's grooves, so it lets you know where to, you know what I'm saying, where you want to do it. I'm gonna put, you can put it two ways. Like you can put it this way, like that, right? Where it's top down, or you can install it this way, bam. So I'm gonna try it one way and try it the other way. Oh, it's cutting it pretty good. Ooh, taking a roof back. As you can see from the precision trimmer, now it got pretty good. So I'll give it a good grade on the precision trimmer. The precision trimmer did work very well. I give that a grade A- because one, this trimmer head is too small. Let's be real. If you want to cut your hair off, I was just cutting it to get it off. Maybe it's good. Maybe it's not good for what I was just using it for. I could have used my clippers. They're larger. They cut faster. This is, you can't just go right through it. You know, you just got to breeze through it. So this may be good for certain things. It does have guards. So it may be better for your beard than it would be for your actual head. Because, you know, your beard hair is most of the time finer or thinner than the hair on your head. So I don't know, but let's just go with, don't use this to cut your hair, your whole head to go bald first. Like, go ahead and pull out your clippers and knock it down real quick. But it did well, I guess, for the time being. So let's get into, I'm gonna clean up real quick. Then we're gonna get into what we all came here for, okay? Quit the bullshit. All right, see you in a moment. You know, I just put that on the charger for a minute while I cleaned up, you know what I'm saying? Still getting that good charge. When it's fully charged, it'll cut off, you know what I'm saying? So you go ahead and unplug that. God damn, they gonna make sure that mother don't ever come out of there. So now we're gonna install the 5-blade head. There's only one way this goes in. So, I mean, it's not like rotatable or whatever, so, because it got 5 blades on all sides. So it has grooves, you just slide that in, bam. That was pretty simple. Now, let's get to the real deal. All right, so I'm gonna only cut half of my head. I'm gonna start like down the middle, and I'm gonna go and I'm gonna cut half of my head, okay? I'm gonna cut the right side. This is just with this shaver, you know what I'm saying? No foam action or whatever, no gel, just cutting it, okay? So let's see how this looks. And then I'm gonna do the other side with a wet head, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get the head real hot, and then I'll put some gel on it, some shaving cream or whatever, shaving gel, and then I'm gonna go through and do it, and then we'll see which one comes out the best. Okay, let's go. Oh, that's on full effect. Oh man, that's pretty smooth. All right, so from the get-go, man, this thing feels like you just brush right across the hair, you know what I'm saying? You don't need, or, you know, across the head. I got a real smooth cut, and the only thing I see is that, like, I got fat ears, so I gotta get behind there. Okay, one thing I was able to just do, I was able to cut around my ear without scratching or making myself bleed. That's one thing you cannot do with a razor. It's like just go around the ear, and you be in the shower, so it's hard to even tell that you still got hair until you pull your ear back. At first I was like, how am I gonna get back there? I just had to put the fucking camera down now. So now, but man, it's a somewhat smooth cut. It's not totally bald, but it's something that I could do every day and just like shoot, not every day, but you know, every other day, and just really knock it down real quick and then go on about my business without getting my hair wet. Okay, so now let's see what we gotta do about it. And look, I ain't got no mess. I don't know where that hair went, but it's somewhere. So maybe it went inside this machine, but we're gonna find out, okay? Let's go with this next thing, okay? Now we got it all lathered up. Let's see what this bad baby do. If it get a closer shave. All right. So now, you know, we got all the shaving cream on that motherfucker. So, I don't know if I recommend doing this, because then you'll have to clean it all the time. So, let's see. It's cool. Again, it's not razor sharp, clear, like crisp, like where you have no hair. But man, I think I won't have no more razor bumps back here. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get that hair on the back. Okay, good. One thing is, men, we have a hard problem with razor bumps on the back of our neck. So I think that'll eliminate that, and also it'll eliminate, you know, the blackening of the skin when the razor bumps go away. So I don't see a difference in texture from either it being wet or dry. I feel the same type of, you know, it's still pricklies, but it looks clean. So I'd rather do it dry than hop in the shower and then, you know, knock it off, because, you know, if I'm using this, I'm just, you know, I'm going somewhere just regular. I'm not going nowhere fancy. But if I was going somewhere fancy, I'm using a razor for sure, because, you know what I'm saying? I guess it's gonna take some time to get used to, you know what I'm saying? Whenever you start shaving, you always gotta find your groove, and you know what I'm saying? You know what's best for you, and that's just with everything. You know, find your groove. I gotta find mine with this, and I think I'm gonna be using this often. Mainly, I'm gonna use it whenever I go out. You know what I'm saying? Then I'm gonna use my protective heat spray by Newman. Shout out to Newman. We got new content coming soon. So I just use them regular. You know what I'm saying? Edge, shave gel, nothing special. But so for the overall, for this product, man, I'm gonna give it an A. I'm gonna give it a solid A plus. I'm gonna give it a solid A plus on the work that is done. It don't give you a razor sharp edge or razor sharp cut, so don't even expect that shit. I don't think I expected it, but I wanted it to be like pretty tight. It's very smooth and went over my head real well. And I got a knot on her with a cyst I need to get fixed. So it went over that real well. So if you got knots in your head, shit, there you go. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to worry about no cuts. It went around my ear real good. Man, overall, this is a good product. So I recommend you going ahead and spend the 60 to get this shit, because every man needs this in their repertoire. I have no idea what this is, but apparently it works. So, but I don't know what the fuck I'm needed for. But yeah, this works real well, and it got a nose trimmer. I ain't even try that. You know what I'm saying? Got some boogers, but whatever. Get you one of these from Freedom Grooming, man. Guess you can find them at freedomgrooming.com. I don't know. I found them on Facebook, and ever since I bought this motherfucker, they ads ain't stopped running. So, nigga, I got one. Quit fucking bugging me, goddamn. So now I got this. You know what I'm saying? I'm using my Newman beard comb. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to Newman. Again, use the Newman hairspray. Shout out to Cantu. I gotta get some more of this, but until then, it's Newman products. And then, you know what I'm saying, using my razor, you know what I'm saying, chum. You see, I got a tight little knit right now, you know what I'm saying? So this is going on a lot of months strong, so we still doing this. But I will drop another one, because I'm about to buy another one, because I want a stronger one, because I want to cut better hair with one of these. This can barely cut my damn beard. I need something bigger. Shout out to Freedom Grooming. Get you the Flex Series Ultimate Grooming Kit, man. Go ahead and get that for your husband. Get that for your wife if she a hairy motherfucker. You know what? This might be good for women's legs. This might be good for women's legs. They ain't got to worry about shaving all, like, getting in the shower doing. You just boom, 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 bust that out. Shit, you get this for your woman too. Shit, fuck it. These are multi-sexual, no matter what your sexual orientation is, So, all right, everyday people, man. Hey, thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Oh yeah, A+, baby. Peace. What it do, everyday people, man? It's your boy PJ, and today, man, I just want to tell y'all that I got the solution for your problem. Maybe the grandmother's about to pass, and Uncle Kenneth, man, is a crackhead, and you don't want him to sell the house and smoke up all the profits before you get to split it with the family. You know what? Give me a call if you got a home that is good, bad, ugly, indifferent, raggedy, broke down, garage don't work, dishwasher don't work, anything don't work, paint don't work. If you don't work and you need to get rid of this house, how about you give me a call at 405-759-0038.